Under tests, we have tests inside the test menu. There, can you see it? Click on it. We'll be talking about how to create subscript, superscript, or subscript. So assuming I have, which is something like this. This is superscript. So assuming I have this test, I've already typed it down. Click on the test tool, F8. Then you highlight the particular text you want to turn to superscript or this or subscript. Then can you see it here? This position x raised to the power of 2. Can you see it? Then you click on superscript auto. If it don't work, you check superscript synthesized. Can you see it? If the auto did not work, you use synthesized. Click, then you click Control. I click down. So let me change it to subscript. So this right works synthesized. Subscript synthesized. Can you see? This is how it works. Don't forget to watch more of these videos to improve in your graphics experience. You're welcome.